Everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any.
Hey y'all, what's up? Good morning. Welcome to another vlog. This is probably the start and the beginning of the first vlog for today. I just got done doing my walk, as you seen. I'm trying to debate if I want to start like deep cleaning now because I gotta do my fridge. I'm gonna also do my closet probably, and you know, like the basic cleaning besides that. But yeah, so I'm gonna get started on that in a few and probably go grocery shopping later. So yeah, just wanted to say good morning.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
I'm a little tired this morning, so if my energy seemed down or low, I'm just tired. Hey girl. So I'm making me some breakfast right now because as you just seen, we just got back from our walk. Leave it alone. We just got back from our hot girl walk, as they like to call it nowadays. I'm just gonna take my vitamins and my immunity shot. Today I'm taking the turmeric one. To be honest, y'all, hold on. I haven't actually worked out in a few days now. It's just been a lot going on. Not tomorrow. I did my walk today, so tomorrow I'll probably skip the walk and work out tomorrow. I also been working and cleaning and stuff, so it's kind of like I already been getting my exercise in. So as long as you know you have an active work life or busy life that keeps you on the go and keeps you walking and moving or keeps you up and down, if you're eating right, you'll still be okay. Not like okay as in like that's all you need to do, but like if you're having a slow week of not working out, or you know, is what I'm trying to say. Like if it not in general to just, oh, that's all you need to do. If you work a lot and you walk around at your job a lot, no, I don't mean like that. I just mean like if you're having a bad week, give yourself some grace if you've still been working and moving around a lot and you've been eating the best that you can properly. That's healthy for you. What am I talking about? If that even makes sense. The hell? Oh. Oh, jeez Louise. You better leave it alone. So, cheers. Okay, y'all, so I'm just let y'all, I'm gonna be honest. I know I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. That coffee I just made is too strong. It was my first time buying those types of ingredients for it because I was trying to go a healthier route. And like I said, if you don't like something, don't buy it. I'm not buying that again. I don't know if I think I just need a different creamer. I think that creamer, that powdered sugar-free creamer is not gonna do it. And I'm really not a coffee girl anyways. But I just felt like I was just craving a coffee because I'm tired and I wanted something different. Stop. But yeah, I was craving something. I mean, I was craving a coffee, so I decided that's what I was going to make me this morning. Complete fail. So I don't even know if I'm gonna throw that clip in there. So if you're like, what are you talking about, girl? I tried to do some little content stuff and make me a little coffee. It was nasty. It's still sitting it's in the kitchen. I'm about almost done with my breakfast. And yeah, it was just nasty. So disregard that if I add that in. I don't even know why I would add that in here unless I'm just trying to fill up the video. Girl, get your little bald-headed part out here. Anyways, I think I'm exhausted because I'm looking at my house and it's a mess. And it hasn't been like this since we moved here, like ever. Like, this is the messiest it's been, but this has also been the busiest, crazy week since we moved here. Like, literally, I have not been having time to, like, really stay and sit and clean my house like I usually do, like, when I have, like, slow days. And it's not like I just been, like, working, like, cleaning-wise. Like, it's been other shit that I've been having to take care of and rip and run and do. So, it's cleaning, it's running errands, being a mom. Kids was sick. I started feeling sick. That was another reason why the house kind of is like, I got so much laundry to do. So we're probably going to do that. I'm probably going to like, this probably going to be a lot of cleaning in this video or in this part, next few parts of the video, because that's really all I have to do today. I want to go to the store to get some oxtails so that I can cook a nice little Sunday dinner. Hopefully, I mean, I do have to work that night, but I don't know. Maybe I'll cook it Monday. I don't know. And that'll be like my cheat meal because I've been doing good this week. What else? I want to do another sit down video today, but I highly doubt I'll probably get that accomplished because there's so much cleaning to do. I really need to clean that fridge. It's disgusting. I'm embarrassed to even show it. I don't even know if I want to show y'all, to be honest. My closet, embarrassed to show y'all. I haven't cleaned that closet since we moved in here. Let me just put that out there. Like, literally, I hung stuff up and put stuff in there and... Sorry, y'all. She's slobbing all over the place. Good Lord. What did you do? What you got in your mouth? Cereal. But, yeah, so the next clip will probably be me cleaning, y'all. Because... Move! The next clip... Treasure. The next clip will probably be me cleaning because this house got to be clean and I go to work tomorrow. So, if I don't do it, it's going to be even worse. So, yeah. She want the phone on, so... Okay, I'm doing the absolute most because if you've been following me, if you've been watching me, you know that I had to go to the laundromat every time I want to wash and dry my clothes, my cleaning racks, everything. And that is done and over with. Your girl got a washer and a dryer. Thanks, babe. Mwah, love you. Yeah. Yeah, your girl gotta wash her and dry, y'all. So I think this is where I'm gonna start. I already started putting some stuff in. This is whites. Oh, I gotta go to the store and get some bleach. So actually, we'll run to the dollar store. I need to get a couple candles. Yes, candles from the dollar store. I don't go to Bath & Body Works because if you find a good candle that smell good, you are good. Like, it's unnecessary to be spending all that money unless you're getting those deals from Bath & Body Works. But anyways, I'm gonna go to the store, so we'll be back.
Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
Think you the shit, bitch? You not even the fuck. I be going hard. I'm breaking their hearts. Like, bitches be quick, but I'm quicker. Like, bitches be thick, but I'm thicker. Like, she could be rich, but I'm richer. Like, damn. Like, take it on man. Don't give a fuck. Out in the yams. And I'm keeping one tuck. I make me some jams. Unlock that advance. I took 400 bands. To do my little dance. Dance.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, should I be one blow? Baby, I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from you, best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. Not trying to be a nuisance, this is hurting. Trying to make some similar change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of a wink if he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. On the wall, I leave all my feelings.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them the lights down right now.
All right, guys, so this is the end of the vlog. My daughter did my lashes, and this is the outcome. This was her very first time doing them on somebody else. I like it. They don't itch, they don't hurt. She did a good job. She's only 14, but I literally have to get ready to go to work tonight. And I have to cook before I go to work. So I've been up early, going to the store and doing what I gotta do. So now that I'm laying down, I'm finna go to bed. Finna call it a day so that I can be prepared for this night. Okay. Bye, y'all. Thank you for watching. Gotta go.